Welcome back, colleagues. Um, let's talk about uploading videos to Opencast as well as errors that might occur. So let's say that you've been trying to upload recordings to Opencast, but it tells you that the file size needs to be 20 megabytes. How do you fix that? So all you need to do is you click on Settings, you come to Edit Settings, and if you scroll down to Files and Uploads, you'll see here's the 20 megabytes. You need to change this to 500 megabytes and save and display. Once you fix this error now, once you upload to Opencast, the videos should be transferred. I hope you found this little tutorial useful, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.